Hey guys, today we are going to be doing an amazing video with, of course, Wisteria 115. Today we are going to be doing the water cycle, making it rain inside. I'm frozen. But anyway, what you're gonna need is a big bowl filled with some hot water, a small container that has been fogged up like this. That is condensation. Condensation is the clouds gets evaporated, which means it goes up and then it gets condensates. It gets condensated, which means it turns into a gas. So that's what we're going to do. Then you're also going to need a plastic wrap. Yeah. I don't think this is big enough. Let me stretch it out. Please. Okay, get on. So, I'm having a little bit of trouble. Oh, geez. Oh my gosh. Okay. See, what had happened was, okay. So, definitely too small. It's got a hole in it, but I think it'll work. And you're also going to need some ice to make it rain. Ice. Here. So, you're going to need this ice, and you have to put it on, plastic wrap. You got to put it on the plastic wrap. There we go. And it has to be right above that. And you have to let it melt through the plastic wrap. Through it. Actually, through the plastic wrap. I don't think I'd be able to do anything through a plastic wrap. But yeah, like 3 or more ice cubes. I'm just going to put 3 on there. On the plastic wrap because this plastic wrap does not seem to be working well. And for now, I'm just going to be eating some M&Ms while we wait. We're going to have to basically guard this natural disaster. Oh wow, these M&Ms are halfway gone. Ender. Okay, so I'm going to get myself some M&Ms. Four handfuls. So, guys, I really hope you enjoy this. I sure am. LOL. But guys, I wanted to talk to you. I'm going to tell you something. I'm glad that you have subscribed to my channel. And I just hope that you guys will subscribe, comment, and subscribe. But in my next episode, because I seriously do not know how to use this stuff, I will bring you guys this. Toodaloo. Peace out.